Welcome to SMA Indicators from StockMarketHacks.com. This training video is part of an educational project to help investors learn how to read signals and understand various indicators in the stock market. Be sure to visit www.stockmarkethacks.com/disclaimer.html for the disclaimer. Understanding the simple moving average. A simple moving average provides indication of trend shifts and price movement forecasts on a stock charting system. Though not a good buy, sell signal, it can identify short-term or long-term shifts in price to assist in making the buying and selling decision. Utilizing simple moving averages, SMA, on your chart can give you a good idea of what the future price may be for a stock. It's an easy indicator to add to your chart, and is displayed along with your stock price. But, what numbers should you use for the best results? Many investors use several different SMA values to show different signals, but in order to keep it basic, I would recommend at least running the 20-day, 50-day, and the 200-day simple moving average. The 20-day SMA shows the shorter-term trend of price, the 200-day SMA shows the longer-term trend of the stock, and the 50 is somewhere in between. Simple moving average. Price movement. There are two key indicators that are produced from the crossing of SMA lines: death cross and golden cross. The death cross occurs when the 50-day SMA crosses below the 200-day SMA. Like it implies, death, the price will likely fall. The golden cross occurs when the 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day SMA. Opposite of the death cross, the price will likely go up. These indicators are showing definite longer-term rises and falls in the stock price, but as you can see, they are not where you should buy or sell, though if you haven't bought or sold by these points, you should. Simple moving average, price support. You can use SMA lines to show where a stock is experiencing support or resistance, though support is more prevalent. In the case below, the SMA 200 line, orange, is acting as a support floor, then it switches to the SMA 50 line, purple. The SMA 200 shows a longer-term support level during an uptrend, and the SMA 50 shows a shorter-term support level during an uptrend. Simple moving average, price support and resistance. When an SMA line goes up and flattens, then goes up and flattens again, or opposite in this case, it shows the support and resistance levels for price. In this example, SMA 50 is establishing the support and resistance lines in a more downward trend. Simple moving average, trend shifts. Trend shifts are easy to spot with simple moving average lines, and are the more common indications. When the price crosses up through the SMA line, it signals a solid trend shift up, or that price will continue going up. When the price crosses down through an SMA line, it signals a solid trend shift down, or that price will continue going down. Simple moving average, advanced indicators. Using several different SMA values on the same chart can create some other supporting signals. For more advanced indicators, consider using SMA 3, 21, 55, 144, 233, and 377, which all come from a Fibonacci sequence. These are key numbers used because when several converge at once, the future price movement is fairly certain. For instance, when they converge up, smaller SMA values up through larger SMA values, the price will continue moving up. The more lines that cross up in convergence, the stronger or faster the uptrend will be. With the inverse, when they converge down, smaller SMA values down through larger SMA values, the price will continue moving down. The more lines that cross down in convergence, the stronger or faster the downtrend will be. Simple moving average, trading hack. Stock traders use many signals and indicators to let them know when to buy or sell stocks. The Extreme Stock System, by Jason Moser, utilizes a few signals to let you know when to trade, but in order to qualify the stock to trade, besides all of the buy signals, the SMA 200 must be doing the right thing. To determine if a stock is safe to trade or not, look for two things. First, the stock's price needs to be above the 200-day SMA. Then the 200-day SMA needs to be trending upward. Simple moving average, summary. The simple moving average has many different ways to help you while trading. Even though it is simple, it is quite powerful in keeping a trade safe while buying and selling stocks at the correct times based on actual buy and sell indicators. Price movement. SMA, small, up through SMA, large equals price moving up. SMA, small, down through SMA, large equals price moving down. Support and resistance. Price bouncing off of SMA, riding below price equals support. Price bouncing off of SMA, riding above price equals resistance. SMA, humps showing support and resistance. Convergence of multiple SMA, values. Multiple small SMA, values up through multiple large SMA, values equal price moving up. Multiple small SMA, values down through multiple large SMA, values equal price moving down. The more lines crossing at the same time, the steeper the rise or fall. Stock trading hack. If the stock price is above SMA 200, it is safe to trade. If SMA 200 is in an upward trend, it is safe to trade. Thank you for watching the StockMarketHacks.com video, SMA Indicators. If you have any questions regarding how to use or set up the simple moving average indicator on a chart, or you'd like more information about Extreme Stock System, please contact Jason Moser at www.stockmarkethacks.com/contact.html, or email jasonmoser@stockmarkethacks.com. For more great training videos regarding the stock market, please visit www.stockmarkethacks.com. Be sure to like and follow Charting Signals page on Facebook. Visit www.facebook.com/chartingsignals.